has a value attached to it, has a dollar amount attached to it, and that dollar amount would be sent to the patient's insurance company, and from that insurance company the doctor will be given the payment. So this process, after coding is over, we have a series of processes that takes place in a claim generation, claim submission with AR, account receivable departments, and then inquiry with his insurance companies, and finally the doctor would get a statement as EOBs and ERAs, and finally the claim would be closed. That entire process would be covered under a medical billing industry. When a patient comes and visits a doctor's office, there is an appointment scheduling, and after the appointment is scheduled, patient is given a questionnaire to give out this review of systems. After this, there is a medical visit where this patient meets the doctor, and then the patient checks out. Then charge entry process. After charge entry, the claim will be submitted. So this is claim submission, and they would be generating a claim prior to a submission, and later on whether the claim is paid or denied. Now comes the role of this AR callers, who are accounts receivable department guys. They would just fight with the insurance, they would talk to the insurance, communicate with the insurance, and follow up with those claims.